Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Hi, Lauren. Hi, Lauren. It's me, Buttercup. Hey. Hey, Lauren. Is that you? Hey. Hey, I miss you. I miss you. I'm okay. Grandma and Grandpa take good care of me. I love them. They're okay. He's a cupcake, but I love him. I miss you. You gonna come see me? I'll ring the bell for you. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, did you hear it? I rang the bell. Did you hear it? All right. I just want to let you know I'm good. Okay, oh, well, sorry. Almost fell there. All right, Lauren. Take care now. Yeah, that's right. That goes out to you. Stop by and see me. Bye-bye.